Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you a couple things that I got from the Ashley sale. So they have this sale, I think twice a year. So I got this beautiful wooden slab. I don't even know what it's called. But I placed it in, on the center of my table, and I feel like you can use this for so many different things. You can use it to place like certain centerpieces on. You can use it as a charcuterie board. Um, I think it actually is a cheese board, but I'm not 100% sure. Can definitely use it for that. Pretty much anything, and I just feel like it just adds like a beautiful rustic chic vibe to the table. I've been looking for something like this for a long time. So this candelabra I feel like is just so beautiful. I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I just feel like it just adds so much character to basically any room. I feel like you can just place it anywhere and it's going to be stunning. I just got these candles from the dollar store, and you can see here that I'm actually just warming up the bottom of the candle so that when I stick it in, it actually sticks and it stands straight up. But yeah, I just feel like this piece is so beautiful, and I'm just gonna place it on top of the wooden cheese board for now, and I'm in love with it. And again, it was like on sale for $60. I'm pretty sure it was half price. Same with the actual wooden slab. So next is this gold leaf that I got. Oh my god, this gold leaf is just beautiful. I've been wanting it for so long as well because my sister actually has one. It's a little smaller, but I've just been dying for it. So this one was also half price as well. So I think I got it for around $60. And I just wanted something exactly like this for my coffee table. I just placed those flowers on top. That was from HomeSense. I've had that for a while. It has such beautiful detailing. It is just stunning. It's just a gorgeous piece, and I feel like this too you can place in any room and it would just create a beautiful centerpiece. Or just, just beautiful design. Look at the edge. Look at my daughter's foot. But yeah. And I also got all of these pieces that you see here. Yeah, they were $28.99, regularly $47. I got some spoons. There's some serving dishes. So as you can see, the spoons are like different shapes. So these are nice for like, when you have to use, well, we're actually going to make a hot chocolate stand. So it's going to be really perfect for that. This is for cheese or I think cake. I'm not even sure, to be honest. I got a couple of these knives and I just think they're so beautiful. You do have to be careful when you're washing them. Next, I also got these gold measuring cups. They're just beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to use them. My daughter loves to bake and she's super excited about these. These were, I mean, I was kind of on the fence. I was like, oh, they are expensive. So yeah, I got them for what, $25.99. They're regularly $42, guys. So yeah, pretty expensive. I like the fact that it comes with a little ring, so we're gonna keep everything together. We're not gonna lose them, hopefully. But yeah, aren't they just beautiful? Yeah, I love those. I also got this sponge from Ashley. It's a reusable sponge and it's double-sided. I don't know, everyone is buying them. You can wash them, and I think that's cool. And it also goes with my color scheme, so bonus. So yeah, $2.99, regularly $6. And I also picked up this tea. So I just love experimenting with different teas. They actually had a pretty wide selection. So yeah, this was $5.99, normally 10. It's just a loose leaf wellness tea. Okay, so next, okay, so you guys, I got a smoker, and then I also got these wood chips to go inside the smoker. But it's a barbecue smoker, and you basically put the wood chips inside. You place this in your barbecue, and this is gonna infuse your food with all of that flavor. So this was $3.99. And the chips were like two, yeah, there we go, 250. Normally 650, and I got a bunch of these, to be honest. So I got maple smoke,